Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove or uninstall WordPad on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in optional. Best result should come back with manage optional features. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to go where it says search added features and type in WordPad. Go ahead and select the WordPad from the list, and then you want to select remove. Give that a moment, and then once that's done, close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully that was a pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.